Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up UeeVii Mini WiFi Repeater. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the UeeVii Mini WiFi Repeater is a compact wireless device that helps extend your existing Wi-Fi signal to cover weak or dead zones in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. Firstly, plug the UeeVii Mini WiFi Repeater into a wall socket near your main router. Turn it on if it has a power switch. Wait 30 to 60 seconds until the power LED becomes stable. If lights blink continuously, wait until they settle. Look for a WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi, or show a circle icon. Make sure WPS is enabled in router settings, if required. Press the WPS button on your router once. The router's WPS light will blink, meaning it's searching for a device. You now have about 2 minutes to press WPS on the repeater. Press the WPS button on the repeater, usually labeled WPS. The repeater's Wi-Fi/signal light will blink, indicating pairing is in progress. Do not unplug the device during this process. The repeater automatically copies your Wi-Fi name and password. When pairing succeeds, signal LED becomes solid, not blinking. Connection indicator turns green or blue, depending on model. Your extended network may appear as same Wi-Fi name as your router, or Wi-Fi name _xt, example, home Wi-Fi _xt. Connect your phone or laptop to the extended network to test. After setup, unplug the repeater. Move it halfway between the router and weak Wi-Fi area. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices help and support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.